Welcome to Brain Booster. Ever wondered how diverse and fascinating the world of butterflies is? From the smallest species barely an eighth of an inch to the grand ones spreading their wings almost 12 inches wide, butterflies are truly mesmerizing. They see the world in shades of red, green, and yellow, and the fastest among them can even reach a flight speed of 12 miles per hour. Imagine that! A small creature with such incredible capabilities. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the world of butterflies? Now, let's delve into some fascinating facts about butterflies. These fluttering creatures can range in size from a minuscule 1/8 of an inch to a whopping almost 12 inches. Their vision allows them to see red, green, and yellow, and their top flight speed can reach an impressive 12 miles per hour. Did you know that the woolly bear caterpillar can predict the weather? Some folks believe that when the black bands on this caterpillar are wide, a cold winter is just around the corner. Speaking of amazing feats, consider the monarch butterfly. These creatures embark on a journey from the Great Lakes to the Gulf of Mexico, a distance of about 2,000 miles, and return north again in the spring. But they're not just sun seekers. Butterflies cannot fly if their body temperature is less than 86 degrees. Butterflies have been captivating humans for thousands of years. Representations of these beautiful creatures have been found in Egyptian frescoes at Thebes, dating back 3,500 years. Yet, despite their global presence, no Lepidoptera, the order of insects that includes butterflies and moths, have been found in Antarctica. Worldwide, there are about 24,000 species of butterflies. Moths, their nocturnal cousins, are even more numerous. Around 140,000 species of them have been counted globally. The brimstone butterfly holds the record for the longest lifetime of adult butterflies, living for 9 to 10 months. This is quite an achievement, considering some moths don't even eat as adults because they lack mouths. They must rely on the energy they stored as caterpillars. And let's not forget about the caterpillars. Some, like the case moth caterpillars, build a case around themselves that they always carry with them, made of silk and pieces of plants or soil. Isn't it mind-boggling, the sheer diversity and fascinating aspects of butterflies? But wait, there's more to these creatures than meets the eye. Consider the brimstone butterfly, boasting the longest lifetime of adult butterflies, living up to 9 to 10 months. That's a lot of flapping. Now let's shift our focus to the fascinating world of moths. Some moth caterpillars, like the case moth, carry their homes around with them, literally. They construct cases of silk and plant pieces which they never leave. Talk about homebodies. Other moth species, like some snout moths, have aquatic caterpillars that live in or on water plants. But here's a real mind-boggler. The Morgan sphinx moth from Madagascar has a proboscis, or tube mouth, up to 14 inches long. This incredible adaptation allows it to sip nectar from the deepest of orchids. These creatures never cease to amaze, do they? Did you know that butterflies have unique ways of sensing their environment? Let's take a walk in the world of these fascinating creatures. Butterflies, for instance, have a taste for adventure, and they taste it with their feet. Yes, you heard it right. They use their feet to determine if a leaf is suitable for laying eggs, which will later become their caterpillar's food. Now let's move from a single leaf to an entire tree in the tropical rainforest. The biodiversity is astounding. One tree in a tropical rainforest is home to more types of insects than there are in the entire state of Vermont. Speaking of insects, they've been around since ancient times. In fact, they're mentioned quite a few times in the Bible, with the most frequently named ones being the locust, moth, grasshopper, scorpion, caterpillar, and bee. It's incredible how these small creatures play such a big role in our ecosystem. Insects, including butterflies, have more to do with us than we might think. Many cultures practice entomophagy, or eating insects, which are rich in protein and essential nutrients. Insects demonstrate unbelievable strength, able to carry 50 times their weight. With over 1 million described species, they offer vast diversity. They also provide immense benefits, from pollinating crops to producing honey. Interestingly, insects wear their skeletons on the outside, a feature known as the exoskeleton. So the next time you see a butterfly, remember, there's more to them than just their beautiful wings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.